Now we download the software I sent you, decompress it. And you will find the APK here, right? So we connect the USB here and format first. I need to format FAT32, right? Format it. Okay, we have format. Now we just go inside. Just copy this. Here, copy. And put inside. Copy here. Okay. In the UDIS, this the APK Autokit here. Now we go to update. Here is the USB, right? Connect to USB and go to apps. Go to apps and EX File Explorer. You can see this the USB drive. Click it. Inside is the apps we copy, right? Click it. Install. Done. Then we just go to apps and you will see here. The Autokit is here. Alright? It allow, yes. You need to choose yes. Okay? It says not allow. We should set to allow. Allow these apps to running in this Android menu. Okay? Then you just connect the USB dongle and connect it. Then will be fine.